How to send money in GPay. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you through the steps on how you can send money on GPay, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you would like to send money on GPay, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then make sure to launch the Google Pay application that you can find here, and after you've done that, if you would like to send money, at the very top you can find an option that says send or request. So tap the send or request option here and then simply search for the person to whom you would like to send money, and after you do that, you'll be able to go ahead and basically invite them to Google Pay if they have. If they don't, then you'll also find other options to invite them, and then enter the amount you would like to send. Make sure you have enough balance, and then you should be able to send money to them. This way you'll be able to send money on GPay. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.